Get one, pick one ticket. Ched Zano. Dr. Ched Zano. Ched, Dr. Ched. Ched, Dr. Ched. Ayun, Dr. Ched. Pumili ka. May coach bar dyan, ha? Ay, coach. Pili ka ng ano. Rita. Tita Rita. Rita. What? Roll. Pass daw siya, pass. Don Cloak. Ay, Don Repose, I'm sorry. Don Repose.
Hey, Brent.
Don Repose. Pumili ka na lang madam. House and lot, Roxanne,
Michael Power. Ako na lang.
Choose one. Sol and Jean na naman. Sol and Jean. Pass na to, ha? Anna Valiver. Anna Valiver. She bought a lot of tickets. So. Walker, Bean, Rayan Walker, Welker, W-E-L-K-E-R, Walker or Welker, wala. Army. Organizer. Pick up. Mia Balangi. Mia Jean Balangi. Doc Noli left already. Romy Duran. Is he here, Romy Duran? Romy. Okay, Romy, pick a ticket.
Ako mo bunot?
Yes. there Mershon? Last name, Mershon. 582. Ticket number 582. Wala? Pick one. Maybe you'll pick your name. June Silvestre. June Silvestre. Wala naman si June. Virginia Short. Virginia. Oh, pare-pareho na. Okay, nalibet, we'll do it again. Lisa, do we have another special number?
Sol, magsulo ka daw.
Okay na, Brent. Magsasalita si Brent.
Alright, thank you. Let's, we have some more drawings to come later. At this time, I would like to call George to give us a word of encouragement again. George is one of our brother who is on fire in Christ also. Alright, George.
Mga kababayan, I didn't understand that. That means my fellow countrymen. Anyway, good evening to you. Most of us here, you would see, is a blend of people. Yep, it's a blend of people from different places. I come from Manila. I see a lot of people here from the north, from the south, that have come over here. And looking at this, I'm thankful of this country. This country which has taught us to blend in well together. Because back home, we're not the same. We're sometimes divided amongst our people. We sometimes discriminate amongst ourselves, and that is the truth. And we would like to know what this country has taught us. We have learned to appreciate